Welcome to this video on India's economic shift. We will be understanding recent trends in steel and gold and spotting simple opportunities for businesses. We begin with part 1, the steel story. This focuses on how India is currently building faster than it can produce. The demand for steel is growing rapidly. India consumed 13 million tons of finished steel in April 2026, an 8.2% jump year over year. Rapid infrastructure development is outstripping local production, making India a net importer of finished steel. The current steel boom benefits foreign steelmakers and shipping companies transporting the steel. Local infrastructure giants also win with steady material access. Local steel companies like Tata Steel and JSW Steel are expected to expand their factories to meet the growing domestic demand in the future. Looking at the steel trade gap in April 2026, imports were 0.7 million tons versus exports of 0.5 million tons. This 31% growth in imports makes India a net importer, buying more to fuel its growth. Now, let's explore part 2. The gold situation. This part discusses turning idle gold into active wealth. The country's love for gold comes at a huge expense, with nearly $72 billion spent on gold imports recently. With global price increases in essentials like fuel, the government is looking for ways to encourage people to use the gold they already possess at home instead of importing more. The master plan involves making the gold monetization scheme more attractive. While Indian households hold about 34,000 tons of idle gold, previous schemes only collected 39 tons. The government wants citizens to deposit old jewelry in banks for interest. The shift in the gold space benefits banks and NBFCs like Muthoot, as well as organized jewelers like Titan, who can collect local recycled gold. Digital gold apps offering sovereign gold bonds will also see a surge in users if physical gold becomes harder to buy. The massive potential of the gold monetization scheme is clear: 34,000 tons of idle gold versus only 39 tons deposited in previous government schemes. This represents a huge opportunity for banks and jewelers if the government succeeds in making the scheme attractive. In summary, key sectors to watch include infrastructure for fast project completion, local steelmakers for guaranteed demand, gold loan companies benefiting from existing gold monetization, and branded jewelry retailers sourcing gold locally from deposits. Thank you for watching this video on India's economic trends and the opportunities in steel and gold.